सल्लु अलल हबीब सल्लल्लाहु ताला अला मुहम्मद. Dawat Islam's publisher Maktabatul Madina's published booklet Bibled Horse Rider says on page number 3 with reference of Mirqatul Mafatih, Hazrat Mullah Ali Qari rahmatullahi ta'ala alayh says, then for its performer the sacrifice will serve as a conveyance whereby he would pass the bridge of Sirat easily. Further, every organ of the sacrificed animal will be fidya, expiation for every organ of its honor. Sallu alal Habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad.
सल्लू अलल हबीब सल्लल्लाहु तआला अला मुहम्मद. मुझे अपनी और सारी दुनिया के लोगों की इस्लाह की कोशिश करनी है इंशाअल्लाह.